And here we are, back to our experiment. So, what happened to our peeps? Let's find out. So I'm going to take some tongs and I'm going to pull out each one so you could see it up close. So this is the one that was in soda. So I'm going to take our tongs and I'm going to pull it up. Take a look at what's happening. You can see that it has dissolved quite a bit. It's falling apart. That's the one that was in soda. Here's the one that was in water. I want you to take a look at this one and notice the color compared to this one. This one still, in the soda, was still a little pink. This one here is more white than pink. But again, it's very soft. But it's still together, unlike the one in the soda. Now, let's take a look at the one in the vinegar. The one in the vinegar I could barely pick up, and it's actually falling completely apart. So it's pretty much dissolved completely, as you can see from the plates. Now, my question is why? Why does this happen? Well, I'm going to tell you why this happens. So Peeps are made out of something that is water soluble. So that means that they dissolve in water. But you're probably like, well, what does dissolve mean? Well, that means that it's going to be broken up and then it gets absorbed into another substance. So in this case, it was absorbed by the soda, it was absorbed by the water, it was absorbed by the vinegar. But if you take a look, which one got absorbed the most? Well, if you look at them, if you look at the three of them, there's still remnants of this. This one's pretty much still whole. But this one here in the vinegar is practically gone. And let me tell you why that is. Vinegar is made up of has a 4% acidity, which means that it's got a chemical in it called acid that breaks down different materials. And in this case, it makes the breakdown of the Peeps happen a lot faster. So therefore, we're left with hardly anything. Now, this is what it looks like. If I was to touch them and try to pull them apart like I did the other Peeps, they wouldn't be pulling apart. This one here, there's no pulling it apart. It's just smush. This one here, though, on the other hand, you could kind of tear it now. It's not really going to do that, but it is still whole. This one here, just slime and mush. Now, let's take a look at your chart. Were your predictions correct? So, whatever you predicted, now what I want you to do is I want you to write down what you actually observed. So again, this is the soda. This one here, the water. This one here, the vinegar. Were you correct? I hope this was fun for you. Stay tuned on Friday and we'll have another experiment for you. Hopefully not one that's this messy.